just to celebrate a belated birthday of Mama Tess.
In this Mass, we offer as our thanksgiving to God for the gift of life of our dear Tita Tess on her 80th birthday.
Best day of my life, and I'm so happy, and I'm thankful to God for the gift of life reaching 80 years old.
Binabati ko ng happy birthday ang kapatid ko si Tess. Ang masasabi ko po sa kanya, napakabait niya ng kapatid.
You've been there for me every big event in our life. So I told myself this year, no matter what happens, I'm gonna try to be here. Happy birthday, and I hope you like your surprise. I love you so much, and I miss you.
Are you guys ready? Palakpakan naman natin po everybody and talented grandchildren of Ma'am Tessie Owens.
Sabi ko sa kanila, para maging successful sila, they have to think for their family first and foremost. Kailangan family muna bago iba. At saka kailangan discipline, meron silang strength na gawin nila yung kanilang mga ambisyon para maging successful sila in life. Nag-start kami ng husband ko, walang-wala talaga kami. Kailangan tulungan ko yung husband ko. Nag-decide kami na magtayo na ng sarili naming bahay. Yun ang the best na nangyari sa buhay ko. Matupad yung pangarap ko na maibigay namin sa aming pamilya ang mabuting buhay.